398. Can we force God's hand? Chalcedon Reports number 327, October 1992. In the 1850s in South Africa, the pagan Xhosa peoples believed a prophecy that, if they would kill all their cattle and destroy all their food, heaven would bless them, drive out the white men, and return their cattle and food. Tens of thousands then starved to death. In the same era, American Indians listened to prophecies that declared a great wind would carry all white men into the ocean, the game would be more plentiful than ever, and the Indian would prosper as never before. What was required were certain sacrifices, purity, and dancing the ghost dance. For all their dancing, nothing happened, although the movement rose and waned over a half a century. One Indian woman who had lost her nose for adultery, cut off by her angry husband, expected a new nose as a reward for dancing the ghost dance. These people were not Christians, of course, nor were the cargo cult peoples of the South Pacific, who still have a like hope. Are there church people like them? A couple, dedicated evangelicals and very active in their church, have a son and a daughter, both in their very early 20s. Both are wild, promiscuous, good candidates for AIDS and more, in attendance at church and undisciplined. They are spoiled and indulged by their well-to-do parents. The parents answer, everyone is asked to pray for the two children. Nothing is done to deprive them of money and family-provided automobiles. Neither is ordered out of the house nor reprimanded. Yet, somehow, God is expected to perform a miracle and save their children and spare them shame. Their attitude is, Jesus can do anything. The Lord, however, will not perform miracles of grace to cover their shame. He will not concern himself with these unrebuked children. What the parents' perspective represents is blasphemy. They have dishonored God by despising his word. They have insisted that God must bless them for their much praying. Faced again and again with very ungodly and immoral conduct by their children, they neither rebuke nor chastise, nor withhold anything. Instead, they call up the church's prayer chain. They allow no criticism of their children. They insist that they are really good children who need prayer and some settling down. Their pastor has prayed with him, and they love him for his concern. The pastor, of course, has never confronted either the children or the parents for their sin. The parents insist on believing that their prayers and the church's prayers will lead God to save their children. They hope to force God's hand by much praying. We are told of David with respect to his son Adonijah that he had not displeased him at any time in saying, "Why hast thou done so?" 1 Kings chapter 1 verse 6. The fact that David was greatly loved by God made no difference to God in this respect. David and his family paid a price for the spoiling of Adonijah. We cannot force the hand of God. And why should God bless us for our sinning? If David received no blessing for his sins, how can we expect to be blessed for our sins? We cannot force God's hand, but we can be punished by it.